Good morning. Right, back on another project we're working on over in Leighton in East London. Started this project around about 3-4 weeks ago. Just got on site with the decorators this week to start doing the stonework now. So what we've done on this project is we've doff cleaned all of the brickwork. The customer wanted to go for a very mild brick clean, quite a fussy customer, knows exactly what she wants. She's not looking for something to look like a brand new show home. A lot of my customers like their bricks looking as clean as possible. Some customers do like to go for a more traditional aged look. So the customer wanted a doff clean, like I say, keeping it very traditional and aged look, so that wasn't a problem. We've repointed it all in a penny roll finish, and now what we're doing as always is burning all that loose flaky paint off, starting the preparation this morning, getting the last bits of paint off, and then we'll start the filling process with all of the filler, rubbing down. There's a bit of work to be done up on the balcony little area there, which is all deteriorated, so it's always good to strip the paint off, and then you'll find the damaged stone underneath. So let's give you a walk around and show you what we're doing. Okay, let's give you a little walk around and show you exactly what we've done so far on this project and what's left to do. So like I say, we've gone for a very mild brick clean. I'll just show you how that looks. So just used a doff machine, got a combination of gaunt brickwork here. So you can see the gaunt brickwork with the penny roll finish going through there. Then on the London stop brickwork, gone for another penny roll finish on the brickwork there. So the customer wanted to see some carbon deposit still left on the brickwork, so she didn't want it looking too clean, so she's still got that look that she was looking for. Then we've started the burning the paint off all of the bases of the columns. You can see there all the old filler that had been underneath the old paint that we've stripped off. So we're going to chisel all that out, and then we'll face fill and rub everything down. All of the window sills, we're going to be restoring all of them, getting them all nice and smooth. Corbels, getting rid of all the old paint off all of the corbels. Again, areas where there's bad repairs being done in the past, we've got some cracking, probably had a new indent done in there before, so we're going to make all them areas all good. Same with these bases at the bottom. So now we've stripped everything off. When we rub all of this down and face fill everything, we'll make sure all of these profiles here are all going to be perfect, lovely and square, and getting that right beautiful detail back in on there. All of the sections there have all been stripped off. So upstairs, let me show you upstairs. So we've got some repair work to do above the front door. So all this nose in here, again, once you strip all of the paint off, you will find a lot of the paint is holding a lot of the stonework together. So it's all, like I say, always good to strip that old paint off, and then we're going to repair all of this section of stonework above the front door. Again, you won't notice any of this, how bad this stonework is underneath, until that paint's off. So we started stripping all of that off yesterday. Got to be some repairs to do all on this. All of this is all very loose, so we're going to have to restore this, pin this back together, restore all this nose in. This is all blown on the top here, so restore all of that, get all of this detail, run all that back in situ all of the way through there, and square all of that up, so when we decorate it, we've got perfect profiles coming through. But there you can see the penny roll on the top, all of the way through there. All the window sills have been prepared now, ready for filling, so all the old paint's off of there. Again, all of this section on the bay here, I'd started stripping all of that off yesterday, so all these big open joints we can rectify now, start filling all of that, rub all of that down and get that nice and square. Got some repair work to do on this window sill, so we'll have to cut that back, run that level off of this point here into that corner, so when we decorate that, that's all going to be running in line. But it's starting to dry out nicely now, the penny roll, all the way down there. It looks a bit lighter on camera than what it actually is, so it is a lot more. If we stand back, it is quite a lot more neutral colour than what it comes out on camera. Right, let me show you upstairs. Customer also wants us to decorate the woodwork on here, so we are going to, like I say, carry on with this stripping the paint today on the top elevation all the way through there. Then the customer wants us to decorate the woodwork on these 4 windows. They're not in too bad condition, the windows, again, just to get them protected for the cold winter months coming ahead. So we'll rub all of them down, protect all of them. She wants the front door and frame done, and then paint the fascia and soffit as well. I think she wants that done the same colour. I think we're actually going for what we got here. I'm sure we are going for a Faro and Ball shaded white on this one. So that's just a little sample pot, Faro and Ball colour. I haven't used that one before, so we'll see how that comes out. We're also going to show some other colours as well and see what the customer would like to go for. So yeah, we just carry on. This is the condition the paintwork was in before we started the burning off. So as always, you just can't rub that down and paint over that. So all that's got to come off, back to the stone, face fill everything and make it all nice and square before we can decorate. So that's just a little insight of what we're doing on this project. Slightly different to our normal cleaning jobs, where the customers normally want to go for a much brighter clean, but it is what it is. Customer knows exactly what she wants, and that's exactly what she'll get. So it does look really good, to be fair. I don't mind the doff cleaning. It looks really good, the doff cleaning, against a tuck point in as well. I think we've got one scaffold's going up on another job today, actually, in Dulwich, and I believe he's having it doff cleaned back to natural stone and tuck pointed. So the doff cleaning does work really well on the tuck pointing. Big fan of that, looks lovely. Keeping the original brick looking slightly weathered and aged on a nice tuck pointing ribbon. Looks really good. So that's just a little insight of this one, and then I will show you some more progress on this once it's all painted, everything's been washed down, and it will look completely different to how it looks now. So as always, if you have any questions or you'd like a free quotation, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you as always. Thank you very much. Welcome back to another finished project. This one we have just completed is in Leighton in East London. So if you scroll back to our previous videos, you will see the project before we started. So what we did on this project is doff cleaned all of the brickwork. So the customer wanted to go for just a very mild brick clean. Excuse me. Once all the brickwork was cleaned, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching London stock bricks. Then repointed all of the brickwork in a penny roll finish. What else we've done on this project is, as always, to get a really good finish, we've burned all of the paint off all of the stonework. So stripped all of the paint off, got it all back to stone, repaired a lot of stonework up on the portico area there, restored out a lot of columns needed restoring and a lot of the bases, so we restored all of them, and then face filled all of the stonework, decorated all of the stonework in a Faro and Ball in a Wimborne white colour, decorated the top floor windows. Ground floor ones are UPVC, so the top ones are wooden sash, so we've painted and protected them for the winter months. Painted the fascia and soffit as well, and that's literally everything we've done on this project. So it's actually come out really, really well, to be fair. Just like I say, some of my customers don't always like a full bright brick clean. This is a perfect example of a property that can look really, really nice still without having to go for that bright brick clean, and I'm really impressed with it actually. So I'm going to spin the camera around and give you a little walk through and show you close up. Okay, I'm just going to give you a little close-up and show you everything that's been done on here. So, like you can see, a really nice Victorian style property down here in Leighton. We've done a lot of houses in this area over the last 14 years we've been running, so we know the houses really, really well. So this one was the house next door had it been sanded by somebody else. Our customer wasn't too keen on that, so she was adamant she wanted to go for more of a milder clean. So you can see the difference between the two houses. The one to the left's more brighter brick clean than the one we've done. So that's all been brick cleaned. You can see how nice all of the stonework looks. So all of the moulded features all above the door, look how nice the capitals are looking. Everything's all been rubbed down, squared up and filled. The window sills are all perfect and square. The bases, you can see the mitres coming down, how sharp everything like that looks. Looks really nice now with the Victorian tiled path and the step. And then you've got the penny roll pointing on the gaunts, so you can see there as well. And then it looks really nice up against the London stock brick. You still see the carbon deposits on the brickwork, the black marks and stuff you can see there, the old carbon deposits. That's what the customer was looking to keep on the brickwork. She wanted to see a very aged and weathered look, so that's exactly what she's got. And then yeah, that decoration has just really set it off. Looks really smart. The customer's really happy with how everything's came out. This is a property that she actually lets out, so she's looking now for us to do her own private property just around the corner. So again, another really perfect job. Customers are really happy, no problems at all. In and out. I think this one took around about 6 weeks in total. So again, our projects do take anywhere between 4 to 6 weeks. It's not, some customers think it's a 2-week turnaround. Unfortunately, where we go to the full extent of getting everything absolutely perfect, like as I always say, each project's around about 6 to 8 weeks. I think it took around about 2 weeks for the brick cleaning and repointing, and then about a month, 4 weeks for 3 of us to do all of the stonework. So very labour intense job. All of the corbels, window seals, bases, capitals, all of the cornicing work, every single last bit of stone, all rubbed down, all face filled, and then all restored. Windows painted, fascia and soffit done as well. So really pleased how this one's came out. Lads have done a really good job on here as always. And if you like the look of this project and you'd like a free quotation, as always, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you as always. Thank you very much.